Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to remove compatibility mode in Word. Friends, our old Word files open in MS Word compatibility mode. These old Word files uses .doc file extension and takes more storage space, and also some of new features are disabled on it. So to remove compatibility mode, you need to open your old Word file. Now here in your Word file you will find compatibility mode written with the file name. So to remove this compatibility mode written here, you need to click on file. Now here in info you will find option of compatibility mode. Now to remove compatibility mode on your Word file, you need to click on convert. Now it will convert your old Word file into the latest version. So after reading it, click on OK. Now here, as you can see, now there is no compatibility mode written on your Word file. So friends, like this you can very easily remove compatibility mode in Word document. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.